What we're going to show you today is how to replace the LCD on a
LCD monitor combo.
Yeah, this one doesn't have the touchscreen.
Yeah, you can't just replace the touchscreen.
Yeah, you have to replace the whole LCD.
Because it's like a phone. You know, like the phones that they're stuck together.
Yes.
I'll show you in a little bit after I kind of open it.
Yeah, it's for 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2018 Ram, 1500, 2500, 3500, 2017 through 18 Chrysler 200 and 300.
We'll have the list on the bottom.
Yes, and yeah. Okay, go ahead. So we're going to remove these screws. There's one.
But don't take them out. Leave them in there.
No, take them out of the hole. Just unscrew it.
If you take them out, you'll be sorry later.
Trust me, he said you'll be sorry later. You'll be sorry later, so do not take them out. So here we go. Lift.
Okay.
Lifting it.
Here, undrill.
Undrill.
Yeah, I'm going to hold this and just take the screws out all the way. Not take them out, just undrill them all. Okay, just keep on going.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's okay. Okay, we're good. Came on. All right. So now, there's a ribbon cable on here you want to remove. Okay. Okay, now take this.
Move it
Yeah,
out of the way.
Yeah, move it out of the way.
Okay.
I'm trying to do this as easiest as possible. Now you take the new one.
Oh, I see. You don't want to remove the screws because...
Yeah, because the screws, everything's going to start falling.
Oh.
So I try and keep it try and do it like this.
Keep it together.
Yeah. Want to come over here and hold this?
Yes, sir. There you go. You need 4 hands for this.
Unless you want everything to come apart.
Yeah, you don't want to do that, believe me. Should I push it down?
Yeah.
There you go.
This one.
You want to make sure there's 2 lines on there. You want to make sure one of them is all the way in and the other one sticks right at the line of the clip that clamps or clips on there. You want to make sure everything's tucked in.
Okay. Should be good. The reason why it has these spacers in here, and if it comes out, you don't want to find out. I'm just trying to do this as easy as possible. This is probably one of the easiest touchscreens if you do it right.
Yes, if you don't remove all the screws. So do not take out the screws all the way, okay? Like you say, you will be sorry. I guarantee it.
And brand new. And you want to make sure that you are going to bend these little tabs back before you put it back on. I don't know if you guys remember these. I bent them.
Yep.
So you just want to bend them back.
Because once you put it on without bending it back, it's not going to, clamp in right. So it's better to push them back down a little bit so it clicks. Ta-da!
And that is it. That's done.
Nice. Very nice, sir.
Okay, if you remember why I was telling you guys the reason why you can't replace the touchscreen on this one, I'll show you why. The LCD monitor on this one's fine, but I'll show you why.
Ooh, nice.
This is the touchscreen. I'm gonna remove just part of it.
Is it glued on there or something?
It's glued on kind of like a cell phone. Like the cell phones, you need
see.
like this special heating machine to remove it.
I see.
So
is it cheaper to replace just the whole thing, or?
Well, they don't sell the touchscreen.
Okay, gotcha.
I was thinking about getting them made, but it's going to be too hard.
Yeah, it looks too hard already. Dang.
So this is what it
That
looks
like.
like.
Ooh, watch your fingers. Do not try this at home, please.
So that's what it.
Oh yeah, never mind. Just put it back. Just
I mean, the LCD, it's good, but it's a shame. They decided to glue them together.
And if you try to take it off, like use the right equipment, for example, the heating gun, is it going to take forever to take it off?
I don't know, never tried.
Oh yeah,
but
don't
the thing
try
is, you don't have the touchscreen. It's without touchscreens.
Okay, gotcha. So yeah.
So you have to do the all-in-one, the touchscreen. See, this is the touchscreen ribbon cable, and then this is where the monitor one goes.
Yeah, so it's all glued together. Don't
So it's trash.
Got it. Thank you for watching our video.
Go ahead. You'll see the link under the video for the touchscreen LCD monitor and what cars they go to. Thank you.
And if you have any questions, always ask your questions and we'll get back to you. And thank you for watching the video.